Alright guys, so I've been messing up every shirt I have. Alright, so it's time to open this package up and hopefully I can save money from tearing up my shirts. Now I received this in the mail about a month ago and we're going to check this out together. And there's two items in here. Alright. And this is a leather welding work apron. All right. Of course, I gotta do some adjustments. All right. Over here. All right. We got a nice jacket here. Go ahead. Now I think the coldest has been is about 70 degrees, maybe one day this year or two. All right. It's not bad. Feels pretty cool right now. Been in the shade. Is there any pockets on there? All right, looks pretty good. So we'll start using this today. Hopefully I don't burn my shirts. Put this away.